Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore how to open links directly in a private tab on Firefox Nightly for mobile devices. This feature allows you to browse the internet more securely and privately without leaving traces. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down to find the Private Browsing section. Next, tap on Private Browsing to open the options. After that, look for the setting that says Open Links in a Private tab. Toggle this option on so that any link you click from now on will automatically open in a private tab. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful browser tips.